Good afternoon students, welcome to today's video lecture of differential equations. We were doing exercise 9.6 and we have finished question number 1 to 12 of exercise 9.6, which is involving solution of linear differential equations. Let us do पहले MCQ number 18 और 19 पहले खत्म करते हैं. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर निकालना है. Find the integrating factor of the differential equation. Differential equation is given as x into dy by dx minus y is equal to 2x square. Okay, this is given. This is the given differential equation. तो क्या करें? Divided by x. Dividing the first differential equation, linear differential equation of first type. So divide by x, which is not equal to 0. तो क्या आएगा? x into dy by dx, x upon x, x upon x into dy by dx minus y upon x, which is equal to 2x square upon x. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? dy by dx plus I can write this as minus 1 upon x into y is equal to 2x. So this is a linear differential equation. One is a linear differential equation. One is linear differential equation. Linear differential equation in form of कौन सा? dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So here p of x क्या है? इसका खाली इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर निकालना है. p of x is minus 1 by x, q of x is 2x. तो उसका इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर मतलब if इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर जो होता है if. What is integrating factor? Integrating factor is e raised to. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर जो होता है if, और if क्या होता है? if होता है e raised to integration of px dx, which is equal to e raised to integration of, which is equal to e raised to integration of px dx. yes, तो px dx सीधा निकाल दो. इंटीग्रेशन of minus 1 upon x integration of, which is equal to e raised to integration of minus 1 upon x dx. minus 1 आप बाहर निकाल दो constant में से. so what you will get? so therefore e raised to minus 1 into integration of 1 upon x dx. इधर कंटिन्यू करते हैं, which is equal to e raised to minus 1 into log mod x to the base e. e raised to minus 1 into log x to the base e. let x is greater than 0, so that's why minus 1 power में जाएगा. so e raised to log of x raised to minus 1 to the base e. okay, so if कितना हो गया? if. okay, so but हाँ, because कौन सा रूल लगाया मैंने? n log x is log of x raised to n to the base e. I hope you are clear. so integrating factor यहाँ तक is integrating factor. यहाँ तक अभी हमको सिंप्लीफाई करना बाकी है. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर which is equal to if. तो कितना आया? e raised to log of x raised to minus 1. आंसर इज उसको सिंप्लीफाई करो. आ जाएगा e raised to log of x raised to minus 1 to the base e. और हाँ, कौन सा रूल लगाएंगे? a raised to log a raised to log b to the base a is b. तो ये आंसर क्या आएगा? x raised to minus 1 because a raised to log b to the base a is b. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा x raised to minus 1, which is 1 upon x raised to 1, जो हो जाएगा 1 by x. so if इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर आता है 1 by x. ऑप्शन में है 1 by x. yes, 1 by x. आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. आपने देखा ये कितने सारे स्टेप्स हम लिख रहे हैं. आपको जल्दी फिनिश करना है. दिस इज यू बिलीव मी, इट इज अ 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन. अब आप सेकंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 में भी इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर निकालना है. और आप देखो उसमें dx by dy में ही डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आई बिलीव हैज बीन गिवन. सो वेरी नाइस क्वेश्चन. दोनों का प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा. सो सेकंड टास्क का प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा. इसमें जनरल सॉल्यूशन निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. हां, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. द गिवन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन कितना है? 1 minus y square, 1 minus y square into dx by dy plus yx is equal to ay is equal to ay where -1 less than y less than 1 means everything is defined. इसके लिए वो condition दी हुई है. So I will divide the given differential equation by 1 minus y square. So divide by 1 minus y square which is not equal to 0 because y minus 1 और 1 नहीं है. That's why this is not equal to 0. Because ये 0 क्यों नहीं है? Because -1 less than y less than 1. Okay. So 1 minus y square upon 1 minus y square into dx by dy plus yx upon 1 minus y square which is equal to ay upon 1 minus y square. 1 minus y square gets cancelled. तो कितना आएगा? dx by dy. Second type of linear differential equation क्या है? dx by dy into p of y into x is equal to q of y. तो यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए? 1 minus y square gets cancelled. So dx by dy plus p of y into x. So y upon 1 minus y into x which is equal to ay upon 1 minus y square. This is, you can say, compared with second linear differential equation. Comparing with linear differential equation. कौन सा? dx by dy plus p of y into x which is equal to q of y. What is, okay, now what is, just tell me what is p of y? So p of y कितना आएगा? p of y is y upon 1 minus y square. q of y कितना आएगा? ay upon 1 minus y square. Obviously it is a constant. इसका सॉल्यूशन नहीं निकालना है, इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर आपको निकालना है. What is इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर? What is the integrating factor? तो इसका इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर if कैसे निकालेंगे? इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इसका निकालो. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर which is if. What is if? e raised to integration of p of y dy. कितना आएगा? e raised to integration of p of y dy. e raised to, ये आएगा e raised to integration of p of y dy which is e raised to integration of y upon 1 minus y square dy. अब 1 minus y square को आपको t लेना पड़ेगा. तो e raised to which is equal to e raised to integration of 1 minus y square into y dy. Let 1 minus y square is t. Differentiate करेंगे तो 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0. So 0 minus 2y dy is differentiating. Okay, differentiating हमको क्या मिलेगा? Differentiating is a nice question. Mistake होने की chances है. Differentiating करेंगे. Differentiating क्या? When I do the differentiating we get 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0 0 minus 2y 1 is a constant. उसका डेरिवेटिव 0 minus 2y dy is 1 dt. So 2y dy minus 2y dy is dt. So ultimately what is y dy? Y dy को मुझे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है -1/2. This will be therefore y dy is -1/2 dt. तो इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर यहाँ से मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? e raised to इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर जो हमको निकालना है, इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर which is e raised to integration of 1/1 minus y square into y dy. Now just let me know what is y dy. y dy कितना है? -1/2 minus e raised to integration of 1/t into -1/2 dt. -1/2 dt. Now -1/2 कांस्टेंट है, इससे बाहर निकल जाएगा into integration of 1/t dt. What is integration of 1/t? log mod t. अब देखो it is so lengthy type calculations और एकदम सिंपल डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर मतलब फॉर्मूला सब्स्टिट्यूशन जैसे दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स में डायरेक्टली 1 मार्क के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वैसे आपको मैथ्स में नहीं मिलेंगे. दे विल नॉट गोइंग टू आस्क एक फॉर्मूला होगा उसमें आप डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट करो और सीधा आंसर आएगा. See, maths में the paper is lengthy and it requires lots and lots of practice तभी आपकी speed और effectiveness आएगी. So integrating factor is e raised to minus 1 by 2 into log mod t, which is equal to e raised to minus 1 by 2 log mod t को आप लिख दो log t, let t is greater than 0, so mod t हो जाएगा t. So this becomes log of t raised to minus half to the base e, because क्या रिजल्ट आ रहा है, because n log x to the base e is log of x raised to n. Okay, now e raised to log e, t raised to minus half कितना होगा, t raised to minus half is 1 upon t raised to half, so 1 upon root t, और t क्या था 1 minus y square, so integrating factor is 1 upon root of 1 minus y square. So I def is यहाँ से मैं लिख रहा हूँ e raised to integrating factor is e raised to log of t raised to minus half to the base e. Okay, so if हो जाएगा t raised to minus half, if हो जाएगा t raised to minus half, because a raised to log b to the base a क्या होता है b, t raised to minus half क्या होगा, t raised to minus half is 1 upon t raised to half, 1 upon t raised to half is 1 upon root t, और t क्या था square, t था 1 minus y square, so 1 upon root of 1 minus y square. Wait, have I done something wrong? Okay, c d, because 1 or 2, yes, it's 1 upon root of 1 minus y square, और पहले क्या था 1 upon x. So you see, it is not that much simple and not that much easy also, but हाँ 1 mark के लिए इतना आपको करना पड़ेगा. So integrating factor, integrating factor we end up getting 1 upon square root of 1 minus y square, which is option B. Okay, some students गलती से टिक कर देंगे 1 upon 1 minus y square, कुछ कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक करेंगे. So that's why अगर आप ऑप्शन भी देखो, आप रट्टा भी नहीं मार सकते और तुक्का भी नहीं मार सकते. So we need to practice a lot, then only you can get these questions. Now we have finished 18-19. Now 13, 14, 15 टाइप खत्म करते हैं जो particular solution type questions हैं. Now what is the 13th question? 13th question says dy by dx, okay, dy by dx given differential equation लिखो, dy by dx plus 2y tan x is equal to sin x, और initial condition दी है y is 0 when x is pi by, this is given. So what I will do is that, therefore पहले differential equation को solve करते हैं. dy by dx plus मैं सीधा लिख देता हूँ 2 tan x, y is equal to sin x 1. So 1 is, okay, so here compare it with linear differential equation, comparing the linear differential equation dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. We get p of x कितना आता है, p of x is 2 times tan x, p of x आएगा 2 times tan x, p of x is 2 tan x, q of x is sin x. Okay, now सबसे पहले integrating factor if निकालो, e raised to integration of p of x dx, p of x dx, which is e raised to integration of, which is equal to e raised to integration of 2 tan x dx, which is equal to e raised to 2 outside integration of tan x dx. Now what is integration of tan x? What is integration of tan x? Log mod sec x. So इधर लिख देते हैं e raised to 2 times log mod sec x. Okay, now e raised to 2 times log of sec x to the base e. Okay, just assume let sec x greater than 0. Okay, now sec x का पावर 2 हो जाएगा, so इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर क्या आएगा, e raised to log of sec square. So I will be, so integrating factor sorry will be e raised to कितना है 2 times log of sec x to the base e. so if कितना आएगा if हो जाएगा. अब देखो इसका भी इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर निकालना इज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. log of sec x का स्क्वायर टू द बेस b, तो sec x का स्क्वायर मतलब sec square x आएगा. ओके, द इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर will be sec square x. so therefore if is e raised to log of sec square x to the base e. now therefore if is sec square x. okay, which basic rules we I applied? a raised to log b to the base a is sec square x. और हाँ यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? because n log x to the base e is log of x raised to n to the base. perfect. okay, here we are having q of x is sin x, q of x is sin x. ओके, और हाँ जब ऐसे क्वेश्चंस होंगे जिसमें जनरल सॉल्यूशन और पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन, तो दैट्स दोस क्वेश्चंस डेफिनेटली कम फॉर 3 मार्क्स. so you need to be very very perfect. so integrating factor is sec square x और q of x क्वेश्चन से ही पता चलता है. क्वेश्चन में q of x का sin x. okay, so according to general solution, according to the general solution of linear differential equation, क्या आना चाहिए? y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. integrating factor plus c. okay, now ये करने के बाद what you get? therefore y into integrating factor is y into sec square x is integration of what is q of x sin x into sec square x dx plus c. what is sec square x? 1 upon cos square x. so sin x upon cos square x you can write as 1 upon cos x into sin x upon cos x. so that becomes sec x tan x, and integration of sec x tan x is sec x. so that is the way you will have to do the integration. बहुत easy वाला integration है. so y into sec square x is integration of sin x upon cos square x dx plus c. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ये इजी होता है, so they end up messing it up. तो 1 upon cos x into sin x upon cos x बेसिक होता है, याद रखना पड़ता है, plus c. this becomes y into sec square x. y into sec square x is integration of sec x tan x dx plus c. what is integration of sec x tan x? sec x. so y into, okay, then we get the integration of sec x tan x is sec x. integration of sec x tan x is sec x. so ultimately y into sec square x is sec x plus c. this is the general solution. हाँ, इसको रिजल्ट नंबर 1 दे दो. 1 is general solution having where c is arbitrary constant, where c is arbitrary constant. फिर y और x का वैल्यू है वो इनिशियल कंडीशन लिखो. इनिशियल कंडीशन, what is the initial condition? initial condition is y is 1 sorry y is 0. y is 0 and that time x is pi by 3. x is pi by 3. you get as result. so put 2 in 1. put 2 in 1. put 2 in 1. कितना आएगा? y कितना है? 0. 0 into sec square of pi by 3 which is equal to sec of pi by 3 plus 0. 0 into anything is 0. sec pi by 3 is sec of 60 degree. sec of 60 degree cos 60 sin 30 half, so 2 आएगा. so 0 into, so 0 is equal to 0 into anything is 0. 0 is equal to 2 plus c. so c plus 2 is 0. therefore c is minus 2. c is minus 2. that is our result number 3. so put 3 in 1 जनरल सॉल्यूशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो. पुट, ओके, नाउ y into sec square x is equal to sec x plus c. रिजल्ट नंबर 1, रिजल्ट नंबर 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो y into sec square x is sec x plus minus 2, सॉरी कितना आएगा minus 2 plus minus 2 by result number 3. So the answer at the back particular solution कितना आएगा y into sec square x is, या तो फिर cos में कन्वर्ट किया हो तो पता नहीं 13 is they have converted into cos. Okay, y is equal to cos x minus 2 cos square x, perfect. पूरा cos में कन्वर्ट किया, otherwise you can give this also as the answer. So y into sec square x is sec x minus 2 is particular solution. इधर आप सोच सकते हो कोई टीचर रॉन्ग नहीं देगा. ओके, अब नीचे का आंसर आपको मैच करना है. कन्वर्ट इट टू cos, you will get the required answer. So therefore y upon cos square x is equal to 1 upon cos x minus 2. Multiply each term by cos square x, multiply by cos square x, which is not equal to 0. So कितना आएगा cos square x into y upon cos square x is cos square x into 1 upon cos x minus cos square x into, okay, so cos square x is cancelled. So y is equal to cos x minus 2 cos square x is required particular solution. Easy. See, अगर आपने अच्छे तरीके से पूरी वो थियरी की है और आपको बेसिक इंटीग्रेशन आता है तो दिस चैप्टर इज वेरी इजी. और हाँ, इसमें आपका रिवीजन हो जाएगा किसका, पूरे इंटीग्रेशन का, क्योंकि टेक्स्ट बुक में हैं क्वेश्चंस बट फिर भी जो बेसिक टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हैं उसका उतना प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, तो वो कवर करने के लिए मैंने ये चैप्टर लिया है. और ये चैप्टर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. 14 क्वेश्चन और जेई में also स्कोरिंग भी है. 14 1 plus x square into dy by dx, 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to plus 2xy is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. और कंडीशन दी है y is 0 when x is 1, y is 0 and x is 1. okay, ऐसा लिखते हैं. So पहले डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है. therefore 1 plus x square, now start करो. 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So what I will do is that we will divide 1 plus x square से divide by 1 plus x square which is not equal to 0. डायरेक्टली क्या लिख सकते थे 1 dy by dx plus 2x upon 1 plus x square y is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square the whole square. ये स्टेप आप स्किप कर सकते हो. into dy by dx plus 2xy upon 1 plus x square is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. ओके, डिवाइड करना है इसलिए मैंने पहले 1 upon 1 plus इसमें लिखा, किससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं 1 plus x square से, तो वो लिखा और फिर ये लिखा 1 upon 1 plus x square. तो अब dy by dx क्या आता है, dy by dx कितना आता है आप देख लो. So therefore dy by dx, therefore we get dy by dx plus 2x upon 1 plus x square y is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square the whole square. Yes or no? Yes. So अब ये कितना हो गया, ये लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का फर्स्ट टाइप है. So compare it with linear differential equation. Now dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. कितना आएगा अब देखो, this will be p of x. p of x आता है 2x upon 1 plus x square और q of x आता है, q of x आएगा 1 upon 1 plus x square the whole square. उसका इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर निकालो. Just take out the integrating factor. Okay, this perfect p of x is 2x upon 1 plus x square और q of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square the whole square. अब आप अगर ध्यान से देखो तो 1 plus x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x है न्यूमरेटर में, इन dy formula is not given in the NCERT textbook, so we cannot use it. So integrating factor IF is e raised to integration of px dx, which is e raised to integration of 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. Okay, अब just write. अब आप उसको कैसे लिखोगे? Now how you will write that thing? इसको लिखेंगे 1 upon 1 plus x square into 2x dx. This will become e raised to integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square into 2x dx. Let 1 plus x square is equal to t. Okay, तो इतना हो जाएगा. once डिफरेंशिएट करने पर क्या मिलता है? 1 का रेशो 0, so 0 plus 2x dx, 0 plus 2x dx is 1 dt. So therefore 2x dx is dt. तो ये क्वेश्चन आई है e raised to. और हाँ, खाली वो याद रखना p of q of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square the whole square. I believe इसका भी इंटीग्रेशन उतना टफ नहीं होगा. हाँ, therefore इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर जो है वो है e raised to इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ, यहाँ से मैं इंटीग्रेट कर रहा हूँ 1 upon 1 plus x square, 1 upon into 2x dx, 1 upon, just see and you have the impact. So integrating factor is e raised to integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square into 2x dx. What is 1 upon t dt? तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? e raised to integration of 1 upon t और वो है 2x dx is dt. What is integration of 1 upon t? Log mod t. It is log mod t. So which is e raised to log mod t. Okay, log mod t, go for t, mod t की जगह का t तो e raised to log t to the base e, तो t आएगा. t कितना है? 1 upon, this will write as e raised to log t. This I will write integrating factor है. Now so this will be कितना हो जाएगा? इजीली आप कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो और आंसर आ जाएगा. ओके, टफ नहीं है, आराम से आपको करना है. पर हाँ, ये सारे स्टेप्स लिखो तो अच्छा है. सो आईएफ इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर t को एज्यूम करो ग्रेटर देन 0. सो आईएफ कितना आएगा? लेट t ग्रेटर देन 0, लेट t ग्रेटर देन 0, तो व्हाट t क्या हो जाएगा? t. सो आईएफ क्या आएगा? e raised to integration of e raised to log of t to the base e. कितना आएगा? a raised to log b to the base a. अब आपको लर्न हो चुका होगा b, तो कितना आ जाएगा? t. What is t? t is 1 plus x square. This is integrating factor q of x का 1 upon 1 plus x square the whole square. तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि जनरल सॉल्यूशन में q of x लिखो. So y into q of x, ऐसा मिस्टेक नहीं होगी. That's why instead of writing p y p1 q1 which is given in the textbook, okay, according to the general solution, according to the general solution, क्या आना चाहिए? y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. So y into कितना आएगा? 1 plus x square is equal to integration of q of x कितना है? 1 upon 1 plus x square the whole square into 1 plus x square dx plus c. Now 1 plus x square gets cancelled, so y into 1 plus x square is integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx plus c. What is integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square? Tan inverse x तो डायरेक्टली आ गया आपके पास. y into, make it a habit of writing the general solution. हाँ, पिछले क्वेश्चन में मैं लिखा था 1 is a general solution. हाँ, you must write 1 is the general solution. So y into 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x plus c. So result number 1 कर दो. Here 1 is general solution where c is arbitrary constant. Okay, now initial condition means the value of y when a value of x is given. So आपको खत्म करो. Here कितना होगा? Initial condition. What is initial condition? Okay. Y is 0 when x is 1. So y is 0, comma x is 1. Result number 2. So put 2 in 1. Put 2 in 1. So what do you get? Y कितना है? 0. 0 into 1 plus 1 square is 1, which is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus c. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. So 0 into 2 कितना होने वाला है? 0. So 0 into anything is 0. So 0 is equal to pi by 4 plus c. So c will be minus pi by 4. Okay. So c will be minus pi by 4. So 0 is equal to tan inverse what is pi by 4 plus c. So c plus pi by 4 is 0. Therefore c is minus pi by 4. Therefore c is minus pi by 4. And second point is that ये value आप result number 3 substitute करो 1 में. Now here general solution क्या है? Y is equal to y into 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x plus c. This is result number 1. तो substitute कर दो. So y into 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus minus pi by 4. So answer is y into 1 plus x square. Y into 1 plus x square. Y into 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x. Tan inverse x minus pi by 4 is particular solution. Yes, I believe that must be the answer. Question number, yes, y into 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x minus pi by 4. Perfect. Now 15. You must try and get the answer on your own. Okay. Question number 15. Finish it off. 16 or 17 word problems हैं. So expect them. कभी word problems. You can say standard 3 mark question. 15. 15th में what they are given. 15th आप देखो क्या दिया हुआ है. 15th they are given. dy by dx minus 3y cot x. Okay, dy by dx minus 3y cot x. dy by dx minus 3y cot x is equal to sin 2x. Okay, is equal to sin 2x. And what is the value of y? Y is 2. Y is 2 and x is pi by 2. Y is 2 and x is pi by 2. This is d1. So now here, therefore dy by dx minus 3y cot x is equal to sin of 2x. So ये linear differential equation of this type, first type, dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. उस फॉर्म का ये डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है. तो इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? dy by dx plus minus 3 into cot x into y is equal to sin 2x. So comparing with linear differential equation. Comparing with linear differential equation. dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. P of x is minus 3 cot x. Q of x is sin 2x. Okay. Now integrating factor को हम लिखते हैं if. if is e raised to integration of p of x dx. e raised to integration of p of x is minus 3 cot x dx. तो if कितना आएगा? minus 3 integration of cot x. What is integration of cot x? Log mod sin x. Log mod sin x का कितना? Log of sin x and then the -3 पावर में चला जाएगा तो sin x raised to -3 I will leave 1 upon sin x का क्यूब आएगा, okay, which is cosec cube x. Sorry, so if is e raised to, therefore if is e raised to -3 integration of cot x dx, which is e raised to -3 log of mod of sin x, obviously to the base e है, so if क्या आएगा, if is e raised to -3 into log of sin x to the base e. Let sin x greater than 0. Even if you don't write let sin x greater than 0, it's fine because टेक्स्ट में सब कुछ भी NCERT के टेक्स्ट में लिखते नहीं है, they have not mentioned any conditions, so no need to worry. So therefore integrating factor becomes e raised to log of sin x raised to -3 to the base e. कौन सा फॉर्मूला है, because n log x to the base e is log of x raised to n. Okay, right, perfect. और इसको हम लिख सकते हैं इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इज e raised to, so ये इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर क्या हो जाएगा, व्हाट इज sin x raised to -3, इट इज sin क्यूब, सॉरी sin x raised to -3, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 1 upon sin cube x. Okay, now so now here दूसरा एक रूल है a raised to log b to the base a, क्या होता है b, so based on that logic if क्या हो जाएगा, if हमारा है e raised to log of sin x raised to -3, log of sin x raised to -3 बना to the base e है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, if इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर हो जाएगा sin x raised to -3. What is sin x raised to -3? 1 upon sin x raised to 3, so 1 upon sin cube x. You can write that as cosec cube x. So integrating factor is equal to 1 upon sin x whole raised to 3. So if is 1 upon sin cube x. 1 upon sin cube x. Just complete 15. Yes. 1 upon sin cube x. Now 1 upon sin cube x, you can write as cosec cube x, not a big problem. For q of x कितना था, here q of x कितना था, here q of x is, here it is, here we have q of x कितना था, q of x is sin of 2x, q of x का sin of 2x. Okay, so now अब आप निकालो इसका जनरल सॉल्यूशन, इसका जनरल सॉल्यूशन देखो, व्हाट इज द जनरल सॉल्यूशन, अकॉर्डिंग टू द जनरल सॉल्यूशन यू नो व्हाट कंडीशन हैज टू बी रिटन, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू जनरल सॉल्यूशन, अकॉर्डिंग टू जनरल सॉल्यूशन y into integrating factor, y into integrating factor is equal to क्या आना चाहिए, y into integrating factor is equal to क्या आना चाहिए, y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. So y into what is integrating factor, 1 upon sin cube x, 1 upon sin cube x, which is equal to integration of q of x कितना है sin 2x into 1 upon sin cube x dx plus c. now अब आगे भी इंटीग्रेशन नहीं कर सकते तो sin 2x मतलब डायरेक्ट का कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है ना, तो sin 2x देखो 2 sin x cos x आप सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो, 2 sin x cos x और फिर आप देखो sin x कैंसिल हो जाएगा and yes it will be converted into a known integration result, it will be converted into something known integration result. So therefore y upon sin cube x is y upon sin cube x is equal to integration of sin cube x लिखेंगे 2 sin x cos x, नीचे sin cube x write as sin x into sin square x dx plus c, y upon sin cube x. Okay, y upon sin cube x I can write as y into cosec cube x. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ पीछे आंसर वाले से देख लेता हूं 15 डायरेक्टली cosec cube x नहीं उन्होंने sin cube रखा है so y upon sin cube x 2 is a constant 2 goes outside sin x upon cos x cancel हो गया can I write this as 1 upon sin x into cos x upon sin x or what I will do is that 2 हाँ 2 constant 2 बाहर इंटीग्रेशन एक sin x गया cos x upon sin square x बचता है can I write as 1 upon sin x into cos x upon sin x dx plus c yes is perfectly ready y into what is 1 upon sin cube x cosec cube x so y into cosec cube x is equal to 2 times integration of 1 upon sin x is cosec x into cot x dx plus c what is integration of cosec x into cot x integration of sec x tan x sec x integration of cosec x cot x minus cosec x so yes so y into cosec cube x y into cosec cube x is equal to 2 into minus cosec x plus c is the general solution so what you can write that y cosec cube x y into cosec cube x is equal to minus 2 cosec x plus c result number 1 is the you can say 1 is general solution here 1 is general solution having where c is arbitrary constant where c is a arbitrary constant initial condition क्या है वो लिखो initial condition is when y is 2 when x is pi by 2 y is 2 and x is pi by 2 this is result number 2 so put 2 in 1 put 2 in 1 substitute करो y into cosec cube of pi by 2 sin pi by 2 कितना होता है 1 तो cosec cube of pi by 2 कितना आएगा 1 so y into सीधा आप लिखते हो 1 cube ऐसे करके so y into cosec sorry y कितना है y is 2 into cosec cube of pi by 2 which is minus 2 into cosec of pi by 2 plus c अब ये अवॉइड कर सकते हैं cosec pi by 2 आपको पता है क्या 1 तो डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हो y into cosec cube of pi by 2 means 2 into 1 cube is cosec pi by 2 is 1 now cosec pi by 2 is 1 therefore 2 into 1 cube कितना होता है 2 into 1 cube which is equal to minus 2 into 1 plus c so 1 cube 1 into 2 so 2 is equal to minus 2 plus c therefore c minus 2 is 2 c is 4 therefore c is 2 plus 2 c is okay this is our result number 3 by result number 1 we are having y cosec cube x y into cosec cube x minus 2 cosec x इसमें c का वैल्यू आपको सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है so y into cosec cube x is equal to minus 2 cosec x plus c okay अब c का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो 4 so plus 4 और फिर उन लोगों ने फाइनल आंसर साइन में कन्वर्ट किया है नहीं so y into cosec cube x is equal to minus 2 cosec x plus 4 is you can say required particular solution no teacher will give you wrong if you end it over here is required particular solution okay is required particular solution okay after what is cosec x now cosec x is 1 upon sin x तो ये कितना हो जाएगा y upon sin cube x is minus 2 upon sin x plus 4 multiply by sin cube x so y is equal to minus 2 sin square x plus 4 sin cube x that would be the answer y into yes, y is equal to 4 sin cubes minus 2 sin square. थोड़ा अलग लिखा है, मल्टीप्लाई फॉरवर्ड बाय मल्टीप्लाई। ओके, वहां एग्जाम में ऐसे सिंपलीफाइड फॉर्म जो होता है तो क्वेश्चन में अगर प्रूव दैट नहीं है और आपका आंसर आ जाता है, डोंट वेस्ट योर 2 to 3 minutes in simplifying those answers, your marks will not be cut। और हाँ, बेसिक स्टेप्स जो होते हैं आप डायरेक्टली थोड़े कम लिख सकते हो। आई एम राइटिंग मेनी स्टेप्स ताकि किसी को डाउट न रहे। दैट्स व्हाई मल्टीप्लाई बाय sin cube x which is not equal to 0, so we get sin cube x into y upon sin cube x which is equal to sin cube x into minus 2 upon sin cube x plus sin cube x into 4. So sin cube x gets cancelled, so y is equal to minus 2 sin square x plus 4 sin cube x। और हाँ, इसको आप थोड़ा उल्टा उल्टा करो, so ये हो जाएगा 4 sin cube x, this is minus 2 sin square x plus 4 sin cube x, तो उसको लिख सकते हैं 4 sin cube x minus 2 sin square x। therefore इसमें क्या आंसर 4 sin cube x minus 2 sin square x is required particular solution, is required particular solution। कितना है 15। y is equal to 4 sin cube x minus 2 sin square x। 16 or 17, let us do। okay, just 1 minute, just water and I'll continue। So now, okay, you could have stopped it over here also। यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है required particular solution, यहाँ पे नहीं करो, इतना लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है। okay, now 16 and 17 क्वेश्चन, उसमें अगेन आपको बेसिक रूल्स याद होने चाहिए जो हमने वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स ड्यूरिंग वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म मैंने आपको बताए थे पिछले वीडियो लेक्चर में भी। मैंने क्विक रिवीजन आपको दिया था। That's why only, nothing else। Find the equation of a curve passing through origin। okay, क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 में कर रहा हूँ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 क्या लिखा है? Find the equation of curve passing through origin given that okay required curve passes through origin 0 0। याद रखना। given that slope of the tangent to the curve at any point xy, let मैं लिखता हूँ let p xy be any point on required curve we prefer y is equal to fx। that y is equal to fx, no teacher will give you wrong। so slope of the tangent to the curve, तो क्या रिजल्ट में लिखना slope of tangent to curve at any point कौन सा है? at any point p of xy, at any p of xy, तो क्या होता है रिजल्ट dy by dx। एग्जाम में आपको ये रिजल्ट ऐसा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है। उन्होंने क्या दिया है? slope of the tangent at any xy is equal to sum of the coordinates of that point। okay, so slope of tangent at p of xy, what they are given? slope of the tangent at p of xy is equal to sum of the coordinates of the coordinates of p of xy। this is given। तो ये भी आपको एग्जाम में लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको सीधा लिखना चाहिए let pxy the required curve passes through origin। फिर लिखो let pxy be any point on the required curve और सीधा लिख दो therefore क्या दिया हुआ है? slope of the tangent at any point xy। तो पहला स्टेप, दूसरा स्टेप, ये दो स्टेप को लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है। so dy by dx with the slope of the tangent at any point xy is equal to sum of the coordinates। so dy by dx is equal to x plus y। so this is so dy by dx minus 1 is equal to x. इसको आप कन्वर्ट कर दो इसमें लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ द फर्स्ट टाइप. सिंपल. So therefore dy by dx plus minus 1 into y is equal to x. Okay. Comparing with the linear differential equation. कौन सा? dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. p of x कितना आएगा? p of x आएगा -1. p of x आएगा -1. q of x आएगा x. Okay. p of x will be -1. q of x is x. Then just find the integration. इसका खत्म कर देना है. Okay. Right. It will be lengthy, I believe, क्योंकि integration by parts करना है. So therefore इसका integrating factor निकालो. Integrating factor is e raised to integration of p of x dx. It is e raised to integration of px मतलब -1 dx. So e raised to -1 into integration of 1 dx is e raised to -1 into x. So e raised to minus x आएगा. Integrating factor is e raised to minus x. Integrating factor is e raised to minus x. So therefore integrating factor कितना है? e raised to minus x. q of x कितना है? q of x is x plus. अब इसके सॉल्यूशन में आपको बाय पार्ट्स करना है. Okay. Also q of x is x. So according to the general solution, इसका जनरल सॉल्यूशन अगर हम देखेंगे according to the general solution y into कितना आना चाहिए? इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर is equal to integration of q of x into integrating factor dx the whole t plus c. Integration of qx into p of x plus c. According to the general solution, क्या आना चाहिए? y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. Therefore y into integrating factor is e raised to minus x is integration of q of x is x into e raised to minus x dx plus c. इसको I आपको रखना पड़ेगा. So y into e raised to minus x is I plus c. रिजल्ट नंबर 1 का हो. Okay. अब by parts integration by parts आपको अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. This type of question we have done पहले आ चुका है. I believe somewhere we have solved this type of question now. So here I is integration of x into e raised to minus x dx. I laid inverse log algebra trigo exponential algebra और ये exponential है तो u क्या है? x v क्या है? e raised to minus x. So therefore integration of uv dx is u into integration of v dx minus integration of du by dx. du by dx into integration of v dx the whole dx. And then just finish off the I integration part. Finish कर दो. I is x into integration of e raised to minus x dx minus integration of d by dx of x into integration of e raised to minus x dx the whole dx. See, in many if you refer the textbook, वो लोग ये स्टेप डायरेक्टली करते हैं. वो लोग क्या लिखते हैं? I is x into what is the integration of e raised to minus x? E raised to minus x upon the coefficient of x which is minus 1 minus integration of what is d by dx of x? 1 into integration of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x upon minus 1 dx. If you observe, इसके बाद if you refer the textbook and if you refer the guides and you refer the solution of others also, trust me, after some time they directly do the integration by parts. Formula भी नहीं लिखेंगे. They will do I is x into integration e raised to minus x dx, x into e raised to minus x upon minus 1 being minus x e raised to minus x, derivative of x is 1 into e raised to minus x upon minus 1, so plus integration of e raised to minus x dx. सीधा ये स्टेप लिखेंगे, minus x e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x upon minus 1. Yes. So y into, so we get this as I is minus x e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x. This is our I. This is our result number 2. ये मैंने मान लिखा y into e raised to minus x. Therefore, and y into e raised to minus x is I plus c. This is result number 1. This is result number 1. Okay, तो therefore आप जरा देखो, इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. Therefore y into e raised to minus x is minus x into e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x plus c. e raised to minus x आप कॉमन निकाल दो, e raised to minus x लेगा कॉमन. So y into e raised to minus x is minus of e raised to minus x, यहाँ पे बच जाएगा x plus 1 plus c. Okay, now what this can be done is that इसको ज़्यादा आप सिंप्लीफाई कर दो या इधर इतना ही रखोगे इज अ जनरल सॉल्यूशन या ऐसा करके हियर c इज आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट ऐसा कर दो, या व्हाट आई विल प्रेफर कि e raised to minus x को आप 1 upon e raised to minus x लिख दो और फिर take the LCM and that will be the final, I believe, minus x minus y. So it will be y plus x plus 1 equal to c into e raised to x. Something of that kind. Okay. General solution. Simplify करना ही पड़ेगा. So therefore, this we can write as y. Okay. Dividing by e raised to minus x, which is not equal to 0. So y into e raised to minus x upon e raised to minus x is minus of e raised to minus x plus 1 upon e raised to minus x plus c upon e raised to minus x. E raised to minus x, e raised to minus x gets cancelled. So we get e raised to minus x, e raised to minus x gets cancelled. So we end up getting y is equal to minus 1 into, we get y is equal to minus 1 into x plus 1 plus c into e raised to x. E raised to minus x ऊपर गया, e raised to minus x gets cancelled. So y is minus x minus 1 plus c into e raised to x. This side take the equation. Okay. या फिर इतना सिंप्लीफाई किया, उससे अच्छा यही रखा होता और फिर एंड में सिंप्लीफाई किया. डोंट बी कैलकुलेटर. हां, ऐसा सीखने का. ओके, should have just kept it this only. उसके बाद c का वैल्यू निकालने के बाद आपने किया होता. It's going to take one at the same time, but still. So y plus x plus 1 plus y plus x plus 1 is equal to c into e raised to minus x. इसको रिजल्ट नंबर 1 दे दो. 1 is, you can say, general solution of curve. Is general solution of curve where c is arbitrary constant, where c is arbitrary constant. Up, it passes through its point. It passes through origin. It passes through origin. The required curve to given curve है, it passes through origin. So given curve passes through origin. The curve required curve passes through origin, which is 0 0. उसका मतलब कैसे? Put 0 0 is equal to x y in 1. Therefore put origin is 0 0. So put 0 0 is equal to x y. Therefore put origin 0 0 is equal to x y in 1. इसका मतलब x की जगह पे 0, y की जगह पे 0. तो 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to, sorry, 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to c into e raised to 0. e raised to 0 कितना होता है? 1. तो c will be 1. Okay. So therefore 1 is equal to c into 1, therefore 1 is equal to c, so c is 1, c का वैल्यू 1 आएगा। अब c का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो, so you get equation of the curve as y plus x plus 1, y plus x plus 1 is equal to e raised to x. This is our result number say 2. Okay, now y1 we are having y is equal to y plus x plus 1 is equal to e raised to x. Therefore y plus x plus 1 is equal to 1 into e raised to x. Therefore y plus x plus 1 is equal to e raised to x is required equation of the curve. Required equation. Y plus x plus 1 is equal to e raised to x. Question number 16. Just 1 minute. Yes, x plus y plus 1 is equal to e raised to x. खाली ऑर्डर आप देखो चेंज किया है x plus और हाँ सेम टाइप का क्वेश्चन था इसी एक्सरसाइज में जो I can say based on looking at the answer I can yes question number 10 same type का question number 10 almost the same type x plus y plus 1 is equal to e raised to x is required equation of curve. Now question number 17 is the last question of the exercise. Let us finish up that first. Okay, let me have some water, just 1 minute. So now moving on to question number 17. Same type question है पर लैंग्वेज वही है, एक कर्व होगा, कर्व पासिंग थ्रू अ पॉइंट दिया होगा और हाँ कनेक्शन क्या होगा कि उस पॉइंट P of x y के x और y कोऑर्डिनेट का कनेक्शन विद स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट मतलब dy by dx के साथ दिया होगा and maybe it could be a linear differential equation of the second type. क्योंकि linear differential equation of the second type question number 10, 11 और 12 तीन ही थे और हाँ मैंने एग्जांपल भी कर दिया so we have got 4 types तो आपको enough practice मिल चुकी है and you would have seen that there was no point in solving each and every question of exercise 9.4, 9.5, 9.6. I should have solved only two selected questions which covers all the types but मैंने सारे questions cover किए हैं because it gives you the idea of integration how I am doing it. So that's why find the equation of curve passing through 0 to the required curve passes through 0 to ये याद रखने का इसलिए मैंने सबसे पहले लिख दिया G for given. Now slow let P of xy be any point on required curve जो है y is equal to fx के फॉर्म में. Okay, now sum of the coordinates of any point on the curve exceeds the magnitude of the slope of the tangent to the curve at that point. Now just for a division slope of tangent at any point P of xy on the curve तो क्या होता है dy by dx. What happens? Sum of the coordinates of any point मतलब here sum of the coordinates of कौन सा point P of xy exceed ये ज्यादा है by slope of the tangent to the curve by 5. So can I say is equal to slope of tangent is equal to slope of tangent at P of xy plus 5. This is given. आपको तो खाली एग्जांपल लिखना है required curve passes to 0 to let P xy be any point on the required curve. You don't have to write these two steps. Directly go sum of the coordinates मतलब सीधा लिखो x plus y is equal to dy by dx is the slope of sum of the coordinates x plus y is equal to slope of the tangent plus exceed by 5. Okay, so therefore can I write this as dy by dx plus y is equal to x plus y. Now what is linear differential equation of the first type? Dy by dx plus p of x into y which is equal to q of x. तो क्या करेंगे p of x रिक्वायर्ड डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आपको चाहिए तो क्या करोगे? therefore dy by dx plus p of x into y, so y goes on the left side, minus y is equal to x minus 5, so dy by dx plus minus 1 into y is x minus 5 is equal to x minus 5. अब इसका p of x is minus 1, q of x is x minus 5, तो इंटीग्रेशन करना पड़ेगा, हमारे पास ये आएगा एक्चुअली. So comparing with linear differential equation, dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Comparing the linear differential equation dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x is equal to q of x. वो कितना आएगा? p of x is minus 1, p of x is minus 1, q of x is x minus 5, q of x is x minus 5, q of x is x minus 5. ओके, अब इसका इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर निकालो. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर कितना है? e raised to integration of px dx. So integrating factor is e raised to integration of px dx, e raised to integration of minus 1 dx minus 1 outside 1 dx. So integrating factor is e raised to minus 1 integration of 1 dx, e raised to minus 1 total integration of 1 dx x. So therefore integrating factor is e raised to minus x. Integrating factor is e raised to minus x. Now integrating factor is e raised to minus x. और p of x कितना है? Here p of x, here sorry q of x का x minus 5, q of x का x minus 5. Yes. So integrating factor e raised to minus x, q of x is x minus 5. According to the general solution, कितना आएगा? y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. This will be plus c. तो कितना आएगा? Plus c. So therefore y into integrating factor कितना है? e raised to minus x. Okay. Integrating factor इधर एक बार ऐसा है तो हाईलाइट कर देते हैं. Integrating factor is e raised to minus x. और q of x तो already x minus 5 है, which is equal to integration of x minus 5 into e raised to minus x dx plus c. So I will ultimately y into e raised to minus x is I plus c. This is the result number 1. अब इसको आपको सॉल्व करना है. और हाँ, e raised to minus x ऐसे ही रखोगे तो भी चलेगा, but you know 1 upon e raised to x लेके करना है आपको final simplified form, because that's the way the textbook does. Now here I is, so I is integration of x minus 5 into e raised to minus x dx. U is x minus 5, v is e raised to minus x. Algebra exponential I a. So right, so now integration of uv dx, integration of uv dx is u into integration of v dx minus integration of du by dx into integration of v dx the whole dx. Okay, so this becomes now this becomes integration of, so I is integration of u कितना है x minus 5 into integration of e raised to minus x dx minus integration of d by dx of minus. Okay. let me write over here, minus integration of dy dx of x minus 5 into integration of e raised to minus x dx the whole dx. Okay, now what is integration of e raised to minus x? Integration of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x upon minus 1 e raised to minus x upon minus 1. So therefore I कितना आएगा x minus 5 into e raised to minus x upon minus 1. Okay, and what is derivative of x? Derivative of x minus 5, 5 is constant, तो उसका डेरिवेटिव 0 आएगा और x का डेरिवेटिव 1, so 1 minus 0 1 आएगा, तो उसका डेरिवेटिव 1 है. yes or no? 1 minus 0 लिखना है तो भी चलेगा, 1 ही होने वाला है, so that's not a big issue. Minus integration of, what is the derivative of x? 1, so 1 minus 0 into, what is the integration of e raised to minus x? E raised to minus x upon minus 1 dx. Okay, now ये minus 1 है, so I is minus 1 into x minus 5 into e raised to minus x. 1 minus 0 1, 1 upon minus 1 minus 1 minus minus plus integration of e raised to minus x dx. Minus sign के साथ अंदर दे दो, so I becomes, this becomes 5 minus x e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x upon minus 1. e raised to minus x का integration e raised to minus x upon coefficient of x which is minus 1. So e raised to minus x upon minus 1. So now go for it. देखो कि how much you get it. So that's why पूरा क्या आएगा instead of I is now, so I becomes 5 minus x, 5 minus x, I becomes, sorry, 5 minus x into e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x is the number 2. 1 क्या था? y into integrating factor, I believe इसका integrating factor e raised to minus x था 17 का, let me just check. Yes, it was y is y into e raised to minus x is equal to I plus c. Result number 1. इसमें आप I को substitute करो x minus 5. Yes, करेंगे. So when I substitute y into e raised to minus x is 5 minus x into e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x plus c. Now again, what is the thing? आपको क्या करना चाहिए? Just write e raised to minus x. Just write e raised to minus x as how? E raised to minus x आप लिख दो. So this will be okay. Yes, perfect. हाँ, e raised to minus x यहाँ से कॉमन निकालना है तो आप निकाल सकते हो. Your choice या फिर y upon e raised to x. Y upon e raised to x, should I divide by, okay, y into e raised to minus x, मैंने e raised to minus x कॉमन निकाला, यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा 5 minus x minus 1 plus c. So 5 minus 1 4 minus x, yes 4 minus x होना चाहिए. Okay, सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं पूरे कर्व को और you can keep it that way only, but it's preferably कि हम सिंप्लीफाई पहले कर दे ताकि मिस्टेक ना हो. So y into e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into 5 minus 1 is 4, so 4 minus x plus c. Now e raised to minus x को आप लिखो, divide throughout by e raised to minus x, just like the previous question. Exponential functions are positive, so divide by e raised to minus x, it is positive, so just write not equal to 0, तो कितना आएगा y into e raised to minus x upon e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into 4 minus x upon e raised to minus x plus c upon e raised to minus x. e raised to minus x, e raised to minus x, e raised to minus x get cancelled. So y is equal to कितना आएगा 4 minus x. y we get as 4 minus x plus c into e raised to x is the equation of the curve where c is the arbitrary constant. So y is equal to plus c into e raised to x. इसको रिजल्ट नंबर 3 दे दो. The 3 is here. 3 is general solution of curve. General solution of the curve लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, having where c is arbitrary constant. High probability c is arbitrary constant. Okay, now it passes through which point? It passes through 0, 2. The curve passes through 0, 2. So put 0, 2 is equal to xy. Okay, in result number 3. The curve, the point 0, 2 is on the curve. Now 0, 2 belongs to is on required curve. Now 0, 2 is on required equation, curve. So therefore put 0, 2 equal to xy and 3 put 0, 2 is equal to xy. Put 0, 2 is equal to xy. What we get in 3. Now here y कितना है, खाली वाली लिखता हूँ ताकि मिस्टेक ना हो, प्लस c into e raised to x. हाँ, तो x y की जगह पे 2, therefore 2 is equal to 4 minus 0 plus c into e raised to 0. So 2 is equal to 4. C will be minus 2. C will be minus 2. Yes. Okay. So therefore 2 is equal to 4 plus c into 1. So therefore 2 is equal to 4 plus c. So what we get? C plus 4. So we get c is 2 minus 4. So c will be minus 2. So answer आना चाहिए y is equal to 4 minus x minus 2 into e raised to x. That's the equation of the curve. पीछे ऐसा होना चाहिए आंसर. C plus 4 is 2. So c is 2 minus 4. So therefore c is equal to minus 2. C is equal to minus 2. That is our result number 4. Now by 3 क्या था रिजल्ट? y into 4 minus y is equal to 4 minus x plus c into e raised to x. तो सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो. 4 minus x plus c कितना है? minus 2 into e raised to x. Result number 4. So therefore, what is the required equation? Y is equal to 4 minus x. Y is equal to, when we check 4 minus x minus 2 e raised to x, that should be the answer. Y is equal to 4 minus x is perfect. So y is equal to 4 minus x minus 2 into e raised to x is required equation of curve. Y is equal to 4 minus x minus 2 into e raised to x. Today that finishes the exercise 9.6. Yes, exercise 9.6 we have finished. तो अब कोई भी क्वेश्चन रहता नहीं है. And now we have to just finish the miscellaneous exercise of this chapter. और हाँ, इसमें सारे पांच का रिवीजन हो जाएगा. Let me see. Just 1 minute. Okay, I will end over here only because naya exercise start करेंगे तो will not be nice. So better is इसके सारे questions miscellaneous exercise we will be discussing in the next video lecture, and this finishes you can say linear differential equation का all the concepts. That's it for today. Thank you. और हाँ, आपको अच्छे तरीके से practice करनी पड़ेगी. Tough नहीं है. Sums different types के variety है. They are not tough, but if you are integration excellent और आपने अच्छे तरीके से follow किया है तो बहुत ही मजा आएगा. Yes, these are all 3 mark questions, and integrating factor निकालना is the best question of 1 mark, whether in good CET or any entrance exam for 1 mark. So that's it for today. Thank you. Okay.